Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. Here on this channel we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boys, share crypto updates, flashy method and much more. Kindly join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be among the first to receive updates whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I want to share you guys a great news about Proxy. The Proxy name is called Loki Proxy. So this Proxy has similar features like PR Proxy, 9Proxy, all those ones that you can able to select your city, select the ISP. You know, I dropped a video about 711 Proxy. This 711 Proxy now is done. This 711 Proxy, you can't choose options like that. You can't choose options like that. So that is why I find out that this Loki Proxy is the one that is reliable and alternative for 9Proxy. It's the alternative for 9Proxy now, because 9Proxy is no more functioning like that. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you head over to their site, lokiproxy.com. Then you create an account. This is my account. So I'll be explaining the features on this interface grab. So once you register, you create an account, you sign up with your Gmail. You can sign up with your Gmail or create account with your normal Gmail. So once you sign up, this is the interface grab. But note, once you sign up on this site, change it to desktop mode. So on your browser, every browser has desktop mode. So just switch it, because let me switch back to normal mode back and show you something. So I want to switch to normal mode. This is the normal mode. This is normal mode. So, but you can see it now. It's not showing the full details of this platform. If you try to zoom, it's not showing. So just try and change to desktop mode or desktop site. So once you change it, to give you access to zoom in, zoom out, state, zoom in, zoom out. You can be able to see other part of this stand. So this interface now, you got this, the overview stand. We have the rotating residential Proxy, we have the short-term IPS, we have the unlimited and static residential Proxy. The main one we are using is short-term residential IPS. This rotating residential Proxy, I will do a video separate. That one is GB plan. You know, we always have GB plan and IPS plan. We always have IPS and GB plan. The IPS is just normal, deducting 1 IPS to generate IP for you, but the GB plan is working like mobile data. I already explained those in my Proxy video. So let's dive into today's thing. I don't want this video to be long. So like this now, this first part here, that is not what we need. The overview, that is the overview part. You see this second part, if I click it, to take us to the rotating residential. This one is for the GB plan. It's only GB plan. It's when you have GB plan, you can use this. So I'll do a video separately about this. But the main one now that most people are waiting for, that most people are using, is the IPS plan. So we click the third part. So hope you are seeing the third part. So we click that third thing. So you can see the setup, you can see everything. You can zoom in, zoom out. So the first thing you will need is your CD key normally. So if you need CD key of this Loki Proxy, just DM me, chat me on my WhatsApp channel, or chat me on WhatsApp or Telegram. You can check my info in my YouTube bio. You see the info there, or check the description. You see my Telegram or WhatsApp channel. Join it. You can message me there. So the CD key is the most important thing that you'll be needing, so that you can be able to get access to this grab. So first of all, I will head over to where I get my CD key, then I will paste it to redeem. So I'll go to my notepad. This is the CD key. Even though you see it can only be used once, no one can use it again. So I'll copy it, then paste it. This 10 IPS of CD key. Let me redeem. So redemption successful. So you scroll back to the left, you see the 10 IP. I've loaded it. So in this part now, we'll be needing this API. You know, there's this API whitelist. That is not the part we'll be using. Just change it to this username, password, those things. So then, yeah, can scroll down. This global mix stand. This global mix, you will change it. That is your country you want stand. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be going with United States. Going with United States. Okay, United. Okay, let's scroll. Let's go to the last part. You can see different country you can choose. So the U part. So this is it. You can choose United States. You can still choose United Kingdom. Any country of your choice. So let's go for United States, which is the normal one most people go for different purposes. So like this now, we have selected our country. So the city, you also select it. So let's select New York. It's like this. Search button is not working, so let's just scroll. New York. You can decide to select anyone. That is why I love this Loki Pro, because you can be able to select your city. It's not like that 711 process. So that's why I come up with this video, to give you this video. So, and again, this also work on laptop. You can see if you want to download the software for laptop, Mac OS, for Windows, Mac OS, and then Linux. So you can select it instant. If you open this site on your laptop, you'll be able to see those interfaces very clearly and sharp. So like this now. So I've selected my city, and this place now, this random place is where I'll select my the state. Wait, the state and city. So this is the state. I've stated the state and the city. The city. Let me see. Put New York. Let's see the. Let's just select this thing. Guys, be careful. So let me. That's why I'm zooming it. I'm zooming this thing. Let's just choose. Okay. Let's just choose anyone. Let's choose this. Let's choose this Brooklyn. Let's choose this Brooklyn. So after you choose this, you grab. So you now have anything to do with this host name. Then you scroll. You grab. You can see your IP. They'll give you different IP here. You can see the state. They'll be refreshing. You can see the state, the different ISP. This ISP, you can see now, they'll give you zip code, they'll give you ISP. This ISP is just like the time that you'll be selecting ISP on that proxy, like Fair proxy. You can choose Comcast cable, you can choose Verizon communication, you can different one. So you can see T-Mobile, different one on display. So we'll be going, so to use anyone, understand, can scroll. Let's just use this Verizon business. This Verizon business, let's use it. Verizon business. So I will click on extract. So once you click on extract, then it has been extracted. You can go to your 24-hour list. You can see the 24-hour list. Once you click it, you see the extract this thing. You see this is the extract this thing you choose. Once you extract this, you can see it now. So this is the extract, and the expiring time is like 12 hours. Okay, so they have 12 hours limited expiring time, so it will expire within 12 hours. So you know, once you extract like that, they will deduct one IPS. You can see it. Let me show you guys. You can see we have 9 IPS left, so that means they have deduct one IPS. So we go to the 24 hours list. So let's see the IP. This is the IP. So to copy it, you can zoom it. Then you see this copy button. So copy, stand. So I've copied like that. So I'll head over to my notepad and separate it. You already know what to do with this. So let me just separate it. So this is the let me show you the host name, the port, and username. This is the host name. This first one here, you separate it. This is the port. Let me clean this thing. This is the port, separate it. This is the username. Let me clean this thing. And this is the password. So to connect this, you go to your Super Proxy. The Super Proxy is available on your Play Store or App Store. It's now, you already know what to do. Or if you're using iPhone, you can use Potazo app also. So once you're on this page now, you just click on Add Proxy. Then you can name it anything. This place you leave it as subscribe. This server, you can this is the server. It's still same as host name. So you just paste it. The port, this is the port. You paste it. Then this thing, you choose username and password. Then let's copy the username very fast. So don't want to just waste time on this video. So the username, then the password. So let me copy the password. Let's check it. So okay, let's see. You have filled up everything. Then you click on this save icon by the right corner. Then once you select all this, you can click on start. Skip all this. Skip, continue. That is let's wait for it to connect. So okay, it has been connected. To know if you are connected, you know what to do. Let's go to our browser. So let's just select new tab, then we go for word.net. Let's check our IP if you have connected successfully. So let's see why I choose Verizon Business. You already know Verizon Business among the best ISP you can use. That means internet provider. You understand? So to give you a good network connection and a lot, you can use it to do many stuff. So you understand? So if you enjoyed this video so far, kindly like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to receive updates whenever I upload a new one. So you can see the website now. Let's wait for it to load. Grab, and you can check other ISP on this thing. You can check on Comcast cable, all those ones. You can check it so to know the one to use. Stand, because this site is just people are just using it. Stand, so this Verizon may not be the best one on this one. You can try Comcast cable. You can try T-Mobile. Stand, so you can see this thing. You have been connected now. You are good to go on any platform to use. So that is that on, or you can use IP8 location. If you don't want to use this, you can use IP8 location. That site is give you another this thing to use. Stand, this IP8 location for you. So let me just load it. Even our browser, I see it is showing the United States sharp. So I just check the IP8 location. You see it now. So let's check everything. Let's check the okay. So it's only the time on this thing that is not correct. The time, if you change your time to United States, everything will be 100%. You already know what to do with it. So that is that on that. So see you next in my next video. I'll do a video on the laptop, how to use it on laptop, and I'll still do a video on how to use the GB plan. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.